is my land, this land is your land. Let us work together to make it better. From tall green forest to clear blue water, this land depends on you, me, and us. A very pleasant good morning, respected dignities, parents, and all my dear friends. This is Khushi Biz. Today we the students of class 5th are presenting assembly on the topic conservation of resource. So let us start our morning by remembering Almighty with Gayatri Mantra chanted by Skanda and school prayer by Shishti.
ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्।
है ज़मीं तेरा आसमां, तू बड़ा मेहरबान, तू बख्शीश कर। सभी का है तू, सभी तेरे, खुदा मेरे तू बख्शीश कर। तेरी है ज़मीं तेरा आसमां, तू बड़ा मेहरबान, तू बख्शीश कर। सभी का है तू, सभी तेरे, खुदा मेरे तू बख्शीश कर। तेरी मर्जी से मालिक हम इस दुनिया में आए हैं। तेरी रहमत से हमें सबने ये जिस्म और जान पाया। तू अपनी नजर हमें पर रखना, किस हाल में है ये खबर रखना। तेरी है ज़मीं तेरा आसमां, तू बड़ा मेहरबान, तू बख्शीश कर। सभी का है तू, सभी तेरे, खुदा मेरे तू बख्शीश कर। तू चाहे तो हमें रखे, तू चाहे तो हमें मारे। तेरे आगे झुकाए सर, खड़े हैं आज हम सारे। ओ सबसे बड़ी ताकत वाले, तू चाहे तो हर आफत टाले। तेरी है ज़मीं तेरा आसमां, तू बड़ा मेहरबान, तू बख्शीश कर। सभी का है तू, सभी तेरे, खुदा मेरे तू बख्शीश कर।
Pledge mean to or to fulfill our duty. So let us take a vow with Prince.
Good morning everyone. My name is Prince Mehta from class 5D. Today I am going to say flag. So I begin. India is my country and all Indians are my brother and sister. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and very heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teacher and all elder respect and treat everyone with country. To my country and my people, I pledge my demonstration. In there will be and prosperity alone lends my happiness. Thank you.
Vision. Vision highlights the picture of student future. So for the vision, here is Karan Singh Bafila.
Good morning all of you. My name is Karan Singh Bafila. I study in grade 50. The vision of our school is to inculcate modern and ethical values among students apart from academic excellence and all-round qualitative development with practical knowledge, deep-rooted value system and by providing modern and complementary education to serve large cause for the society and nation.
Thought. A new day begins with a new thought and new strength. So we have Nakshita for the thought of the day.
Hey everyone, today's thought is the Mother Earth is the only habitable planet. Preserve it for the future generations. Thank you.
New word. New word increase our vocabulary. So here is part for the two new words and their meaning.
Name is Parth Basara. Today new words are preserve, that means to keep something safe, and renewable, that means which can use again and again. Thank you.
Poem. Let us have Pawnee for resource song.
Morning everybody, myself Pavni Trivedi of class 50. Today I am going to sing a song. The name of the song is Resources, Resources. Resources, resources, we use every day. Some of them are renewable, but some will go away. Hey, resources, resources, wood, water and heat. This can be renovated again instead of the trees. Hey, resources, resources, coal, oil and gas. If we don't preserve these things, they will be gone fast. Hey, resources, resources, we use every day. Some of them are real, but some will go away. Hey, thank you. Resources, resources, we use every day. Some of them are renewable, but some will go away. Hey, resources, resources, wood, water and heat. This can be renovated again instead of the trees. Hey, resources, resources, coal, oil and gas. If we don't preserve these things, they will be gone fast. Hey, resources, resources, we use every day. Some of them are real, but some will go away. Hey, thank you.
Let us have Priyansh for the Hindi poem.
प्रभात, मैं प्रियांश पाठक कक्षा 5 ड का छात्र आपके सामने एक कविता प्रस्तुत करता हूँ। यह प्रकृति पर निर्भर है। लाली है, हरियाली है, रूप बहारों वाली है। यह प्रकृति जग से मुझको प्यारी है। हरे भरे वन उपवन, बहती झील नदियाँ मन को कर देती है मनमोहित। प्रकृति फल फूल जल हवा सब कुछ न्योछावर कर देती है। ऐसे जैसे माँ हो हमारी, हर पल रंग बदल कर मन बहलाती। ठंडी पवन चलाकर हमें सुलाती, बेचैन होती है तो उग्र हो जाती। कहीं सूखा तो कहीं बाढ़ ले आती, कहीं सुनामी तो कहीं भूकंप ले आती। ऐसे अपनी नाराजगी जताती। सहज लो इस प्रकृति को, कहीं गुम ना हो जाए। हरी भरी छटा, ठंडी हवा और अमृत जैसा जल, कर लो थोड़ा मन अब इस प्रकृति को बचाने का। धन्यवाद।
Speech. Let us have Lakshika for the speech.
Very warm welcome to all respected dignities, teachers, parents and my dear all friends. Today I am here to deliver some word on the topic conservation of resources. Natural resources are something that occurs naturally on earth. It comprises of air, water, sunlight, gas, petroleum, coal and fossil fuel. Some of them are renewable and some of them are non-renewable. Human beings are dependent upon these resources for survival. If these resources are not wisely used, it can create imbalance in our environment and our future generation will have no resources left. So we should not waste our natural resources and use them wisely so our mother earth remain unaffected by this and our environment remain clean and green. So at last I would conclude to say that do not torture nature, save future, care of nature future, conserve nature, conserve future. Thank you.
National Anthem. Let us wind up our assembly with Sarthak Joshi.
Good morning everyone, my name is Sarthak Joshi. I study in grade 50. Today I am presenting National Anthem. Stand at ease. Attention. Stand at ease. Attention. जन गण मन अधिनायक
conservation of natural resources. Natural resources are a boon to us. How are they boon to us? They provide us all the things, essential things that we need in our day-to-day life. The air we breathe in, the water we drink, the food we eat, the land we live on. Everything is provided to us by the nature, by the Mother Earth. Now, why the topic here is conservation of resources. Why the resources have to be conserved. Human beings, or we can say us, are recklessly using these natural resources which are a gift to us. But we are not using it in a proper manner. We are just recklessly using it. We are just cutting off the trees to get more and more paper. We are wasting the electricity. We leave out of the room. We do not take regard whether the lights are switched off or not. We are exploiting the land. We are exploiting the environment by the vehicles. So these are the reasons why today we have to use the word conservation with the word resources. Now, resources, as we know, are a gift and they are to be preserved. So, we should take this responsibility to preserve the natural resources. And how can we preserve the natural resources? There are plenty of ways to conserve the natural resources. We can not waste food. We can switch off the electricity as we move out of the class or the room. We can close the tap after using, and we can make sure that no excessive use of water is there. We can save all these natural resources. We can save the environment by being a bit of eco-friendly. We can use the bicycle that will help us in our health as well. So these are some things. Reuse, reduce and recycle. 3 R's. We can go with the 3 R's and we can save the environment and the resources. If these resources will be saved here today, then only our future generation will be able to use them. Otherwise, they will not exist on Earth and there will be no life on planet. And we certainly do not want that. So, we should take the responsibility to save the natural resources and make this slogan our slogan, that we have to conserve the nature and we have to conserve the future.
Conserve nature, conserve future.